2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbo supercharged, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?